Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to know our Windows operating system of versions. Many people asking about that. In Windows 10, it's very simple to check our Windows operating system version. We can just type in system information and we can open the system information. In the system summary tabs, you can see there. This is my Windows operating system version in the tiles, showing my Windows 10 Pro and the version of build in 10.0.18362 with 18362. You can see there. This is very detailed, so we can decide to install any software related to our Windows versions. That's all. Hope this helpful for you. Thanks for watching and bye bye.